This is actually the first one we've done in the evening. Usually we do these kind of midday, so it'll be interesting as the light goes down. Feels like good vibes in here already. Just making sure everybody's comfortable. Do you guys have blankets? If anybody needs a blanket, sometimes it cools off. Everybody looks really good. I thought we would start out with just a little bit of breath work to get warmed up. And if you're comfortable where you're laying, you can just do the breath work laying down. And if you're seated, you can do the breath work seated. It's totally flexible, totally up to you. The Chakra Sound Journey is something that I've been working on for several years now, and it's come together, and basically it's a journey through the chakras, which are energy centers in the body, from the root chakra, which is at the base of the spine, all the way up to the crown chakra, which is kind of the top of the head, connection to spirit, and the spine, you know, kind of the chakras kind of align along the spine, and when they're in alignment, you're feeling good, everything's going well, your energy around you is good, your aura is bright, and when you have chakras that are out of alignment, depending on how you're feeling, you can probably kind of figure out which one it might be. They have different characteristics, and so the idea here is to just completely relax and just allow the vibrations and the bowls and the different sounds to break up any stuck energy in your body, anything you might be holding on to that maybe no longer serves you, that you want to just let go of. It's a powerful day. Tonight is actually interesting. After the sun goes down, we have a stellium, which is when 3 or more planets are in alignment, and this time it's 6 planets that are going to be in an arc tonight in the night sky, if we can see it, depending on what's going on with the clouds. And then we also have a full moon, a blood moon. It's going to look red in the sky probably. It's going to be a big moon. That's in Virgo, and that's coming on Tuesday, I believe. What's the first? It's tomorrow. Yeah. So full moons are really good times to let go and release anything you're holding on to that you don't need anymore. And so think about that as you relax. Maybe stay open to releasing anything you don't need, because when you release that, you create space in your body and your mind and your spirit for new things to come in. If you're holding on to a lot of old baggage, then that's blocking the good new stuff you want to come in. So it all makes sense. On the new moons, we call in new things. On the full moons, we let go. So let's start off and do a little bit of breath work. First, we'll settle in, and wherever you are, just find a comfortable seat, find a place to lay down. If you are seated, take a moment, lift up on the right hip and place the right sitting bone down. Then lift up on the left hip, place the left sitting bone down. Feel those bones, those sitting bones, as they connect with the earth. And take notice of a balance between the right and the left. You can kind of rock side to side. Find that center right there in the middle. Take the palms down on the knees in a gesture of grounding. Maybe roll the shoulders up and back a couple of times. Release any tension. And then settle into that balanced space. Nice long spine rooting down through the root chakra, reaching up through the crown of the head. Nice long spine, long neck. Close your eyes, roll them up to the third eye point between your brows, and take a deep breath in through the nose, inhaling deeply. Draw the breath down deep into your belly, feeling the belly expand, the ribs expanding, the chest, the lungs, the heart, filling up the neck, the head. And then as you exhale on this first one, sigh it out the mouth, really let something go. And let's do one more of those. A deep breath in through the nose, expand. Stretching the spine from the earth to the sky, and then exhale through the mouth, let it go. And now we'll bring the breath to a long, slow, deep breath, just in and out through the nose. Deep inhale, the belly expands as you inhale. Keep Keep sipping in air, keep sipping in air. Drop the shoulders, relax the shoulders away from the ears. Long spine, long neck. Reach up through the crown of the head. And then as you exhale through the nose, draw the belly in to press the breath out as you keep the nice long spine. Keep reaching up through the crown of the head as you release the breath, keeping the length in the spine. And then take another deep breath in. And exhale. Inhale deeply. And exhale. Now let's try a 4-part square breath. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath in. 2, 3, 4. And exhale slowly. 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath out. Draw the navel in. 2, 3, 4. And again, deep inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause and hold. Feel the breath spread across the chest. Heart begins to open. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Draw the navel in. Press the breath out. Pause. And then inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause with the breath held in. Drop the shoulders. Open the heart. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath out. Try it on your own. Inhale. Deep breath in and pause. Breath held in. Exhale, slowly releasing the breath through the nose, drawing the navel in. Pause and hold the breath out. And again, inhale. Exhale. Draw the navel in. Pause here with the breath held out. Last round. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. Hold it in. And exhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. Hold it out. Roll the eyes up. Eyes are closed. Focus on the third eye point. And then take a deep breath in. And exhale, side out the mouth, let it go. Inhale, sweep the arms out to the sides and up through your aura. Deep breath in as you reach. Palms come together overhead, and then exhale, turn the palms out. Fingertips are spread wide. Exhale as you sweep them down through your aura. Fingertips come to the earth beside you. And then inhale, sweep. Palms face one another, reach. Exhale, sweep. Back down. A couple more of those. Inhale, sweep. And reach. Exhale, sweep. Come back down, touch the earth. And again, inhale, sweep. And exhale. On your next inhale, just the right arm. Sweep the right arm up, deep breath in, reach. And as you exhale, bend the left elbow, come over to the left very gently, very slowly. And then inhale, sweep the right arm up, and then down, and then the left arm comes up and over. Exhale to the right. So inhale, right arm comes up, left arm comes down. Exhale, over to the left. More of these, just opening up the heart, the shoulders, chest. Breathing deeply. Inhale to center. And exhale gently over to the side. Good. And then inhale, both arms back up. Deep breath in. Palms come together overhead. And then exhale the palms down the center line slowly. The thumbs come to the heart center. Gently bow the head. As the head bows to the heart, allow your consciousness to drop out of your head and into your heart. Deep breath in. And exhale. Take a moment here to pause before you lay down and just take a moment to set yourself an intention for tonight. And if it doesn't come right away, that's okay. Maybe you just stay open to an intention coming to you throughout this process, this journey. But maybe think about something that you'd like to let go of with this full moon coming in. Something that you want to release to make room for the new. Deep breath in. This one, exhale, visualize the breath coming out through the heart, clearing out that heart space, sweeping out any old bits of stray energy that you want to get rid of, let it go. Beautiful. And then very slowly, just take your time, make your way onto your back and stretch out. Taking a moment when you start to lay down to reach up and out through the left heel and place it on the far left corner of your mat. Reach up and out through the right heel, place it on the far right corner of your mat. Just let the feet fall open. Take the arms out to your sides, palms up to the sky, and let the palms just relax, the body relax. Breathing deeply in and out through the nose, finding the rhythm in your breath. But relaxing the toes, the feet, the ankles, the shins, the calves, the thighs. Releasing through the lower back. Relaxing, softening the ribs. Relaxing the shoulders. The upper arms, the lower arms, the wrists, the hands, the fingers. Let the neck be gently supported by the back of your head on the mat. Relax the eyes and the eye sockets, the jaw and the face. Just visualize yourself melting into the earth. It's like quicksand. The only movement, the rise and fall of the chest like an ocean wave as the breath comes in and out. The chest rises and falls. Everything else completely surrenders and relaxes. We are all longing to go home to some place we have never been. A place half remembered and half envisioned. We can only catch glimpses of from time to time. Community. Somewhere there are people to whom we can speak with passion without having the words catch in our throats. Somewhere a circle of hands will open to receive us, eyes will light up as we enter, voices will celebrate with us whenever we come into our own power. Community means strength to do, and it joins our strength to do the work that needs to be done. Arms to hold us when we falter, a circle of healing, a circle of friends, someplace where we can be free. must go back and tell them that this is the hour. And there are things to be considered. Where are you living? What are you doing? What are your relationships? Are you in right relation? Where is your water? Know your garden. It's time to speak your truth, create your community, be good to each other, and do not look outside yourself for the leader. This could be a good time. There's a river flowing now, very fast. It is so great and swift that there are those who will be afraid. They will try to hold on to the shore. They will feel like they are being torn apart, and they will suffer greatly. Know the river has its destination. The elders say you must push off from the shore, move to the middle, keep your eyes open and your head above the water. See who is there with you and celebrate. At this time in history, we are to take nothing personally, least of all ourselves. For the moment we do, our spiritual growth and journey comes to a halt. The time of the lonely wolf is over. Gather yourselves. Banish the word struggle from your attitude and vocabulary. All that we do now must be done in a sacred manner and in celebration. We are the ones we've been waiting for. Breath into your heart. Begin to bring your awareness back down into the room. You wiggle your fingers and your toes, bring a little movement, roll the wrists and the ankles, and then take them in the opposite direction. Sweep the arms up overhead, point the toes forward, take a deep breath in, stretching nice and long, reaching back through the fingertips, forward through the toes, deep inhale. And as you exhale, draw the right knee into your chest, interlacing fingers around the right knee, draw it toward the right shoulder with a deep breath in. And as you exhale, take the left palm to the outside of the right knee, bring it up and over your body to the left. As your right arm floats out to the right, head gently turns to the right. Deep breath in, reaching out through the right fingertips. Exhale, relax into the twist. breath in. And this time as you exhale, roll back to center, releasing the right leg. On your next inhale, draw the left knee into your chest, interlacing fingers around it, drawing it toward the left shoulder. And as you exhale, take the right palm to the outside of the left knee, bring it up and over your body to the right. As your left arm goes out to the left, gently turn your head to the left. Deep breath in. And exhale, relaxing into the twist. And then another deep inhale, reaching out through the fingertips. And as you exhale, roll back to center, releasing the left leg. And on your next inhale, draw both knees into your chest and maybe grab opposite elbows or grab the shins, hug the arms, hug the knees into your chest, rocking side to side, left to right, releasing through the lower back. Take a deep breath in, come back to center. And exhale, hug the knees into your chest. Either roll over to your side to push yourself back up or rock and roll on the spine and rock your way back up and gently make your way back up to a seated position, but keep your eyes closed, keep the energy contained for just a little bit longer. So coming back to that comfortable seat and reconnecting with your right sitting bone and your left sitting bone, finding that balance in between, feeling your root chakra grounded, connecting with the earth. And rub the palms together at the center of your chest. With a deep breath in, reaching up through the crown of the head, rooting down through your roots. And then press the palms together firmly, sealing the palms from the heels of the palms all the way up to the fingertips, bringing the thumbs into the heart center. Take a deep breath in here. Spine nice and long. Stretching the spine from the earth to the sky. And as you exhale, feel the breath coming through your heart one more time, coming out through the heart, clearing out any other stray bits of energy from your heart. A couple more deep breaths in and out through the heart. Know that you are enough just as you are, perfectly imperfect, in a way that only you can bring to this planet. And I celebrate each and every one of you and the beautiful energy in this room tonight. Be sure to drink a lot of water, even though we didn't move a lot. It is a very detoxifying practice and you want to flush everything out. So drink a lot of water, get a good night's sleep, and I wish you all a wonderful week, a wonderful full moon, and blessings to all. We'll just close with one long Sat Nam. Sat Nam, I am truth. Truth is my essence. Take a deep breath in for Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Deep breath in. As you exhale this time, fold forward at the waist. Bring your forehead, your heart, palms down to the earth. Release your breath, release your prayer. Give thanks to Mother Earth for always supporting us. Come on back up. Thank you so much, everybody.